Today we're going to bring three watch wristbands, iWatch wristbands. All right, these are three different colors. They have pink, blue, and white, kind of like a ivory. That's what it is. Now they have the multiple colors, different designs, and different size for the actual band of the actual wristband for the foot watch. All right, so these are beautiful silicone, strong, durable. And if you're going to be working out, these are perfect for you because these you could sweat on them, wet them, pretty much swim with them, do whatever you want. And they have a beautiful design. If you guys can see, you have like a couple butterflies and some flowers in there. And we're gonna bring the other one so you guys can see that too. Beautiful design. And then of course they have pink. All right, replacing from the original, it's easy. There's a little button, a little tiny button. You got to clean it up too once in a while, you know. So push the button and they slide out.